This is a 1996 1500 Suburban with a V8 engine. It's got a really nice big ranch hand, grill guard, tires in pretty good shape, definitely have life left on them. Those lights do work. The rack is great, it's solid. It's got 3 in the front. It's got 179,000 miles, but we changed the engine out because I blew it, I think around 130. So it's going, it's actually running really well. You got a back seat, got a mat in the back. Cruise control works. Oh, one other thing, we got a stereo here. Got a Kenwood stereo. That's good. The heater in the front works. The heater in the back doesn't. The air conditioning works, but it seems like I have to fill up the Freon every couple of years. Got speaker. The back speakers are a little, they got some issues, but the front speakers sound pretty good. Let's see here. Go ahead and turn it on for you so you can hear it. There's no black smoke coming out or anything like that. It's burning pretty clean. I use it around Ketchum a lot, but I got a new car. Lights work, blinkers work. Everything pretty much works on it. That back heater, I mean, it's just old. It's a 96. So it, you know, it's a classic. Let's see here. Watch, I'll put it in 4-wheel. So you can see this thing does go in. You got to drive it a little bit. I'm just moving. It takes a second to kick in. There you go. There you go. So it's kicked in. It's all orange. Yeah, here we go. I'm driving in it. It's definitely working. I haven't connected Bluetooth to it, but that works pretty well. Got a little cup holder there. What else? Yeah, so the rear heater doesn't work. I don't know. I'm sure you could fix it. I just didn't do it. Actually found out about it towards the end of last winter. Let's see here. Hold on. Just turning around, going back to my house. The windshield's clean. I got those filled at the not the gas station, the car wash in Ketchum. Great car wash, good people. It's cloth seats. Let's see. Oh, this little thing broke, but that does pull the hood. I'll show you the hood in a second. What else can I show you? I just want to show you. Oh, this has a CD player too, if you want to put a CD in it. Like this, you know, driving and filming here. Okay, I will pull into my place here. 1 second. Pull in. I'll show you the engine, so then you get a little idea of what's going on. Oh, I've got that right there because that's for my phone. I've got 2 sets of keys too. What else can I show you? Is there anything else in here? Oh, this thing, this is so sick. The bench seat, I really hate giving that up. This broke, so I just hold it with that strap. Someone was making fun of me like 15 years ago for that, but I still, you know, whatever, it works. You just got stuff in here, you can keep it, and then you just kind of put the strap back on it, man. It's you know, it's a classic. It's got its little quirks. It's good. All right, I'll leave it on. I'm gonna pull that right down there. There you go. Pop the hood. All right, let me see here. Take what you want from this. I changed the oil when it needs to be changed. I don't drive it that much, really. But, you know, when things need to get fixed, right? Like back there, that needed to get fixed. That's why it looks new. Oh, I just put in a new water pump, right? I guess this is the water pump, right? This is all the stuff that looks brand new. So, I don't know. When it has problems, I fix it. I'm not really sure what else I could tell you about it. It's got a big gas tank. Oh, this door seems to leak, but I do little touch-up paint jobs on it, so it looks fine. You can see there, but whatever. I actually love that. It's like, who else spray paints their car? Anyway, it's good. It's been really good to me. It's definitely a good car. You can keep driving it. I would keep it if my house wouldn't look like a garage if I kept it. So, I don't know. Or if my kids were old enough to drive, I would definitely give it to them to drive. But they're not old enough to drive. They've got like a few years ahead of them. It's a great Ketchum car. It's a great kid car. I don't know if you'd want to like drive this thing around the country all the time because, well, I don't know. It's kind of old. Maybe things will go wrong. Things have gone wrong and I fixed them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the Chevy Suburban. It's actually called Snow Beast. That's what I've called it lovingly for many, many years. I lived in Boise for a while when I was living in the Bay Area, and we'd fly from Oakland to Boise and pick it up. It was covered that whole time. It's been living out in the snow for the last, I don't know, 3 years since we've been here in 2022, back in Ketchum. But that's it. I kind of want to sell it to someone I really like too, just because it's, I don't know, it's such a big part of my history, and she's been with me for a while. But I just got this thing that kind of replaced it, which is nice. So, see you, Snow Beast. I love you. You've been really good to me, but I can't have 4 cars.